Today we're learning the colors. Are you excited, Olivia? Yes. Do you already know what colors means in German? Uh, Farben? No, it's Farben. Farben. Olivia, do you know what black means in German? Schwarz. Now we'll do white. White means weiß. Weiß. This is rot. Red is rot. Rot. Orange means orange. Orange. Yellow means gelb. Gelb. And green means grün. Grün. Do you know what blue is? Blau. Olivia, let's do some more colors. Let's start with brown. 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 And this is lila. In English it's purple and in German it's lila. Lila. And this is pink. In German, pink. And this is rosa in German. Rosa. Olivia, now let's learn what light and dark means in German. Light means hell, hell. And dark means dunkel, dunkel. Light green. In German, hellgrün. Dark green, dunkelgrün, dunkelgrün. And now, blue, light blue. Hellblau. Okay, now dark blue.